Welcome back to Ask the Energy Advisor. I'm your Energy Advisor, Brian Hawk at Noble REMC. I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but I just wanted to bring something special to you. We're just completed stage one of an insulation package of some ductwork up in the attic. We have a Power Moves home that we've been working on. It's a slab home, pretty tight mechanical room, so we ended up placing the air handler. It's a heat pump. So we placed the air handler up in the attic, and with that brings some issues that I don't care for in our climate zone. We're climate zone 5. So what we've done is we went the extra mile. We had our HVAC contractor actually hard pipe everything. And with that, we were able to come in and spray the hard pipe with closed cell spray foam. So we've sprayed it to 1.5 to 2 inches thick. And we have every piece of pipe in here covered. We have the cold air return covered. We have the return at the air handler itself covered. What we've done is tried to get this as much inside of the home as what we can. We know it's in the attic, so we know there's an energy penalty. So we're trying to mitigate that at the front end of the build. This is a forever home, so it's always better to do it on the front end rather than realize you made a mistake and not doing it 10 years down the road. So with that, before I forget, we're also going to encapsulate, so to speak, the air handler itself. We're in the attic. We're going to build a room around that air handler so that we're not getting the extreme cold in the wintertime and the extreme heat in the summertime, fighting against our heat pump, trying to heat and cool this place appropriately. Might be a little bit of overkill, but that's just something as an energy advisor, you know, it's a very cheap part of the build. So making a recommendation that that's the way that's going to be best for the home. So with that, I'm going to flip it around here and we'll get you started on some video. Again, right there's the cold air return for the entire home. That will have the air filter underneath it. Since this is an attic installation, you don't want to climb up in the attic every time you want to change the air filter. If you look out there, we can see completely covered. We have one attic access here that will be sealed. We have a previous video on that, so if you want to see how we're going to handle that, we do have another Ask the Energy Advisor video specifically on sealing attic hatches. Here we go. Go to the air handler. And as you can see, we're not planning with any issues in the future. It's a quality installation. Got our damper for fresh air intake, cold air return. Again, everything is sealed to 1.5 to 2 inches thick. We are gonna have a banger of a heat pump install here, guys. So with that, just wanted to show you an update. I'll bring you back when we get the cellulose done. But again, always thanks for watching Ask the Energy Advisor. I'm your Energy Advisor, Brian Hawk at Noble REMC. Thank you.